Hey guys, welcome to Coding with Chapy. Let's jump right in.
Hey guys, I'm Chapy, and I'm here to talk to you about MML, Metaverse Markup Language. Let's get started. So what exactly is MML? You can think of it as the HTML of the metaverse. Because just like HTML lets you create web pages with text, images, and interactivity, MML is a markup language that lets you build 3D objects, avatars, and experiences using familiar web technologies like HTML and JavaScript. It's open source, accessible, and designed to make creating multi-user metaverse experiences as easy as building a blog. Here's the magic. MML lets you define 3D objects and their behaviors with simple code. The best part? It runs in any modern web browser. No fancy software required. Plus, MML supports game engines like Unreal with plugins, making it super versatile. Now, let's talk about MML.io, your one-stop hub for all things MML. This website, created by the team at Improbable and the M Squared Network, is packed with resources to get you started. You'll find detailed docs to guide you. There's even a community on GitHub, Discord, where you can share ideas and get feedback. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just curious, MML.io has something for you. What makes MML stand out is its focus on interoperability and multi-user experiences. It's not just about one-off creations. MML lets you compose complex virtual worlds by combining objects from different creators, running on different servers. This is the open metaverse in action. The team behind MML is actively working, and they're inviting creators like you to experiment and shape its future. Check out the latest on MML.io's blog or GitHub. So, whether you're a coder, artist, or dreamer, MML empowers you to build immersive, shareable 3D worlds with tools you already know. Head over to MML.io to start exploring. Try the starter project or join the community on Discord. The metaverse is calling, and MML is your ticket to create it.